how to recover your X or Twitter account banned for community guidelines. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the Learn More. Simply click on the Learn More tab, and then when it says your account is suspended, tap on Learn More and go to Contact Us. Or you could also simply go to help.x.com and then click on Contact Us. Once you've done that, you need to simply go ahead and tell them the reason. So for example, I need help with my account and then my account is suspended. Then all you need to do is enter your username, your email, and describe clearly why you face this problem and it was a mistake. Once you simply go ahead and submit your appeal, you will get an email back from them after the review. Either you're going to get your account back or lose it forever. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.